Well, good morning. It is kind of a foggy morning out there as you look outside on our Syntex Roof Systems camera at the Killeen Regional Airport. 54 degrees right now in Killeen. We have that dense fog advisory that's in effect along and west of I-35. It does include Bell County points to the west. That's because visibilities have dropped below a mile in spots. You're down to less than a mile now in Killeen, 0 in Hamilton, 2.5 there in Burnet, and about a half a mile in San Saba. That fog not quite making it to areas east of I-35 yet, but it could increase a little bit as we head towards sunrise. Temperatures in the 50s now, and we do have north winds hanging around 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's not too terribly windy out there, and it really won't be today, but we'll see that wind slowly shift around the south, and that's going to draw up a little bit more humidity, bring our temperatures up a little bit more as well. 58 coming up by noon. Will be in the mid-60s this afternoon as highs do get around the mid to upper 60s. Normally should be around 58 this time of year, and then tonight falling down to the 50s, so a little bit similar to what we're dealing with here this morning. You can see the cloud cover that's out there now. Again, we'll see some pockets of sunshine try to develop in the afternoon. More cloud cover builds in Saturday. We'll get into the mid to upper 60s Saturday, and then Sunday with our next cold front ahead of it will be warm, but behind it temperatures plummet as we get that cold blast in here. What we're monitoring closely, and the cold air is a certainty. We're going to see numbers that are in the 40s and 30s next week, but what we're watching closely is that secondary disturbance that could come in. Models have really been struggling with the timing and the position of this system, and that is having a big impact on what we could see by the middle of the week. If this system tracks directly over us and it tracks at a decent clip, then we could see the potential for some snow next week. If this system continues to slow down, as models have been kind of trending towards today, that may delay the system from reaching during the coldest air. So still a lot of uncertainty with this. We're still watching the model behavior. Again, are the models consistent? Are they changing? And right now they're changing. They were consistent yesterday. We'll see if that consistency comes back here today. And right now, that's why we aren't calling for anything big, but at least enough that we have thrown in a 20 to 30% chance of a wintry mix next week. 64 here for Friday, 67 for Saturday, 67 for Sunday. There's that wintry mix chance. Wednesday, Thursday, I've now added Friday to it to account for that slower system. Temperatures will be hovering in the upper 30s, low 40s. So right now, it's still just something to watch. We're still a few days out, but I think the models will come in better agreement here later on this afternoon. We'll let you know about that. Otherwise, plan for that cold air. We're going to have multiple days where temperatures could get near freezing next week, so time to winterize. Temperatures in the mid-60s in the Brazos Valley, low 70s Sunday. There come those freezes and temperatures in the 40s.